This is a Toontown video file. It's a specific format for the game Toontown. It's not a standard video file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the format. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open a TTV file. Here's a sneak peek. The TTV extension is a data or text container used by the Tempest application or for general documentation. Depending on its origin, it stores either proprietary game configuration settings or structured textual information with markup. The internal structure is highly dependent on the software used to generate the file for its specific use. The internal structure of a TTV file depends on its origin. If associated with Tempest, the format is likely proprietary and specific to the game's data storage requirements. As a text guide, it may contain plain text or formatted text with markup, depending on the application used to create it. The default recognized opener for TTV files is known to be Temptail Manager Desktop from Sensitech Inc. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows displays thumbnails and previews, but full video manipulation relies on editing tools. Open the context menu by right-clicking your TTV file and choosing Open With. Try Temptail Manager Desktop first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is vital. When your TTV file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. We didn't have luck with the basic application. Let's quickly pivot and execute these 3 targeted actions to find the core of the problem. First, launch Tempest software. Open the Tempest application to access the game data or configuration settings stored within the TTV file. Next, open in a text editor. If the file is a text guide, right-click the TTV file and select Open With, followed by Notepad to read the instructions. Finally, check for documentation. Look for an Instructions or Docs folder in the software directory where the TTV file might be referenced as a manual. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.